Hey everybody, Jon Hinds here with Monkey Bar Gym, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about metabolic training. Metabolic training is all the buzz today. Metcons, HIIT, surrogate training, they're all variations of metabolic training. And basically there's three metabolic systems that we have. So there's a short term, there's an intermediate, and there's a long term. And what we want to stress to you is to teach you all three versions so that you can adapt to whatever life throws at you. But here's the catch. Athletes with tons of injuries, people that are overweight, carrying a lot of extra weight, older people who lack range of motion, all have issues that need to be addressed before you go do what now is called a Metcon or a metabolic workout, because an intense workout done with poor alignment is dangerous. Do any of you guys remember that Carl Lewis ad where he was in a starting blocks position and he had high heel shoes on, and they said speed without stability is a dangerous thing, something like that. Anyways, it's true today as it was back then. And so whether you're working the short, intensive, intermediate, or long, you want to put your body in the best position to win. So here's what we're going to be doing in this upcoming Body Mastery metabolic program. We're going to teach you how you can train at your level for all three levels. But we're also going to be teaching you on a daily basis how to realign your body, what we call BASE. And we've been doing it for 20 some years. BASE is our yoga system. It literally starts where yoga ends and moves to where strength training begins. And BASE is all about putting you in a right position to perform at a higher level, whether you're doing super intense metabolic training, intermediate, or long-term metabolic or stamina-based conditioning. All three metabolic systems you can train at a higher level if you're put in the right position. But there's tons of obstacles that can get in your way. Poor alignment, overweight, lack of range of motion, too much range of motion. So this is where we say we take over where yoga drops off, because most yogas are static stretching based, and static stretching has been proven to not transition over to sports performance. Okay? Static, you can hang in a position, but that doesn't create the ability to move out of that position with integrity. And this is a big part of what we do in our BASE program. We teach you how to get to full range, then how to move out of that range of motion with integrity. And that transitions seamlessly with our training of your three metabolic systems. We hope that you join us. It's going to be an awesome experience, and it's a completely different way of looking at how you train your body for health and longevity.